Can you grab that broom and...
The help is hard at work while I'm sitting on the back of the van watching her get stuff done. Today is another insulation day, but we're going to be doing the floor. Right now she's vacuuming out the bottom because she doesn't want there to be any crumbs, even though we're probably going to add to those crumbs as soon as we start using the van. But we have to cut out some little squares of foam to go where the seats used to bolt to the floor, just so there's the same support, it's even. And then we're gonna put the piece of 1/4 inch plywood on top. Once that's done, we're gonna do the flooring, put the flooring on it, and then really we're getting close to the point where we start building the aluminum. So today is tie up the rest of the envelope day and get to work on flooring day. And I guess I need to go get a broom. Are you done yet? So I'll start talking to the camera. This is just a foam carpet underlay. They use it in houses. Certain kinds you can use in vehicles. Vehicles have vibration, so that'll often make a lot of this stuff disintegrate over time. But this stuff I find works really well. There used to be bucket seats or captain's chairs here, and these will fit right into these holes, so when we put the plywood on it'll be relatively level, and these just literally fit in there. This one has a weird shape because it has an indentation, so I'm putting that one there as well. Probably don't need to do this. The plywood should do a pretty good job of it on its own. Everyone has the little things they like to nitpick on over their van. This is mine.
Like cleaning up all these crumbs are mine.
Yeah. So now I'm going to pull this part over here. Like so, and then when we flip it over, it fills in the gap between this insulation and those holes. So one of the joys of using old vans, well worn in ones, is that all of the padding here was completely flattened, and here it's quite high. So I've added a piece in right here. You can see the wear in that square right there. There's a captain's chair here and a captain's chair there, and that's where probably 90% of the traffic went between anyone going to the back of the van and getting out. So that square I placed under there should make it pretty close to even when all is said and done. We are ready for the plywood. So this is the template we made. This is why we cut the carpet out, so that we can make this template. This is what's going to go on top of the carpet, act as our subfloor for our flooring, so that we have a good solid floor to walk on. The beauty of leaving the vehicle insulation in is that it's free. It's already there. And I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, we're going to cut this out.
It's essentially just a subfloor, right?
Yeah, I've already explained that.
Yeah. What more do you need to say it then?
Nothing. I'm just gonna get to cutting. Okay. Whatever.
Get to cutting.
Okay, so it's in, everything's cut. You can see how beautifully I matched everything up except this one hole right here. So I have to drill one. Wanted to keep sawdust out of the van, but sometimes you don't win. So what we wanted with the subfloor was for it to only come, the seats are going to end here. So this is really the only part of the floor that's going to get traffic. So we decided to leave the back part open carpet just so that it wasn't as much reflective noise. The carpet will absorb a lot of sound. It'll also probably be pretty easy to clean. The seat's going to come up and then go over that. That's all going to be storage, so we'll never see what's under there anyways. Now I've got to get this hole drilled and then we can get to flooring the subfloor. Now that I think about this, it would have been a lot smarter to have cut this out with the wood outside of the van. I'm almost thinking that's what we'll do. This is going to have to be cut out too because the furnace is going right here and we want to mount that right to the metal, so when the time comes we'll have to cut these pieces out. We are there.
Bluage time?
Yep.
Oh wow, it's blue this time. Okay, you're on. Okay, so today was a generally successful day. We finished up the subfloor for the flooring, put on the vinyl flooring. What else did we do? We did the seatbelt installation, filling in little holes in the carpet with underlay. And what else? Little odds and ends. I can't even remember, but it was a good day. Now we're just kind of cleaning up and wrapping up. I think next is going to be shore power, starting on the structure with 80/20, I believe.
Yeah, we're pretty close to that.
I think that's Eric's favorite part of everything. So
that's the part that goes the fastest. And I like the parts that go fast.
Yeah, we'll see. All right, well, until next time, we'll see you later.
See you soon. So the next thing we have to do is drill a hole for our shore power made by Noco. It's actually quite a clever little simple design. You pop this open and you can plug a single-ended cord into that end. It has a rubber gasket on it. Some people use silicone as well. I think I probably will.